Hi, this is Alicia McDaniel from artforthecreativesoul.com, here with our African print-inspired Father's Day card. From one of our favorite coloring books, this is our African print-inspired Fashion for Him coloring book, which you can get on our website. So this is the design that I picked to use for this card, and I'm just going to color it using my favorite alcohol-based markers. You can use water-based markers or colored pencils or even crayons to color this design. And then, once I'm finished coloring the design, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out, and then I'm going to glue the cutout to a black sheet of construction paper. And then once I do that, I'm going to cut that out and set it to the side to work on the base of the card. So for the base of the card, I'm going to use an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of black cardstock. I'll be using this scoring tool just to help me make the folding process a little bit easier. And I measured with a ruler the measurements, which you can pause the video to see that on the paper. I just folded it in half, and then I folded the front part of the card back towards the front in an accordion style. Then I'm using this beautiful paper that's designed by the artist at capitalchicdesigns.com. Make sure to visit her website to see her beautiful artwork. But I just took two coordinating designs that I cut out 3 different sheets with 3 different sizes, and I'm going to glue the medium size sheet to the front of the card. I'm going to glue that smallest size coordinating design to the flap that opens up, and then the largest sheet to the inside of the card. And I'm just using a craft glue stick to do this. And then I'm going to take the design that I cut out and glue that offset on the halfway part of the card. It's the flap that opens back towards the front of the card that's going to hold the design. And then I put a handwritten sentiment and a little sticker that I made myself using metallic letter stickers. And this is the finished product. Make sure you visit our website to find more art tips and resources inspired by that.